sensors are unstable due to conditions, but I'm detecting a powerful force field around the control station and a large number of storm catchers across the area.
Storm catchers? They'll be flooding the base with almost endless energy. I don't give a damn about the shields or the storm catchers. With Thronos, we can cut through anything.
We still don't know what that weapon can or can't do. We have one shot at saving Riker. We should think about how we want to...
I've made my decision. No more running, Warhawks. Malok's reign of terror ends today. Make ready to attack.
Commander, can I have a word? I'm sorry. I gotta ask. What's your objective here? Saving Riker or killing Malok?
I'm getting real tired of defending my orders. You listen and listen.
No, damn it. You listen. Riker was right. You've become reckless, and he's paying the price for it right now.
Our objective is winning this war, no matter the cost.
If that's true, then we're no better than the Infernals.
Report! Base is fried! Even for a place called the Stormlands, that wasn't normal!
My readings indicate that was a directed energy attack.
Nala! They must have found a way to weaponize the Stormcatchers.
We won't survive against this kind of firepower. We have to stop him from recharging. Are you listening?
Suyin, think knocking out these Stormcatchers might lower the force field around that base? It might, yeah. All right, Barkley. You win. I want a closer look at these Stormcatchers. Warhawks, get this base back up and running stat. Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown. Give those twisters a wide berth. Let the Infernals have them. Give me the lowdown. You lose. Oh, I've been ready. Where's the action? Where? Oh, God. Why wait? Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. The storm's pummeling the high ground with lightning. We'll need to move fast through here. Why wait? Here we are. Suyin, what's next? Cut the power. But we'll need to take more offline to make a dent in their supply. Let's get to it. Finding a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown.
Yeah?
Capture point.
Commander, your Vulcans have been upgraded with jump jet capabilities.
Those will put that to good use. The base is fully repaired. Warhawks, new objective. Take control of the remaining Stormcatchers.
Our forces are under attack.
I've been ready. Give me the lowdown.
Commander, sensors indicate that power levels to Malok's base are still increasing.
Wait.
You'll need to take control of more storm catchers in order to drain his supply.
Give me the lowdown.
Reporting for work.
Researching. Researching.
Make it quick.
Ready.
Give me the lowdown. Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Why?
Daggerly, I've got a pre-bring device that I...
Got a plan?
All systems clear. Your directive. Constructing.
Research complete.
Ah, you scared me. Still here.
Where's the action? Let's get to it. Give me the lowdown.
At your disposal.
All powered up.
Give me the lowdown. Give me the lowdown.
Insufficient therium.
Make it quick. On their heels. Finding a path.
I'm here to assist.
Oh, I've been ready.
Construction
Making a
complete.
beeline. Quick time.
Capture point
Heading there now.
contested.
Where? Oh, God. Why wait? Oh,
Always hated you.
What?
Insufficient therium.
where's the action? Oh, I've been ready. Another Stormcatcher secured!
Daggerlead, if you don't take over one of those Stormcatchers soon, our base is toast!
Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Make it quick.
Capture point contested.
Give me the lowdown.
Reporting for work.
A Stormcatcher is back online. We can't let those shields hit maximum capacity, Daggerlead.
Blazing a trail.
Capture point contested.
Joy. The cycle.
Insufficient supply.
Making tracks.
Here I come. Give me the lowdown. Oh, I've been ready.
Stormcatcher offline.
Secured.
Finding a path.
Our forces are under attack.
Quick time.
What's the sit rep?
Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it.
Ready when you are.
Why wait? Here I come.
Insufficient supply.
Oh, I've been ready.
Capture point contested.
Making a beeline. Time to pay. Make it quick. Quick time. Heading there now.
Our forces are under attack.
It's going up.
Let's get to it.
Insufficient supply.
Where's the action?
I'm gone. Moving out.
Where's the action? Time to pay.
Construction complete.
Always hated you. Come and face me, weaklings.
Construction complete. Researching.
Taking down another Stormcatcher.
Capture point
Infernal's regained power on a Stormcatcher.
complete.
Make way. Top speed. With a quickness.
Let's end this.
Capture point contested.
Why wait?
Your ball to call.
Ready.
Oh, I've been ready.
Hit me.
Stormcatcher offline.
Secured.
Here I come.
All systems
Our forces are under attack.
constructing. You want me to do what now? Placing structure.
Not enough.
Wonderful.
Research complete.
Finding a path. Making a beeline.
Capture point contested.
Let's get to it. Quick time. Heading there now. Give me the lowdown. Where? Oh, God. Why wait? Here I come. Let's get to it.
Construction complete.
Finding a path. Making a beeline.
Capture point
Quick
secured.
Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Got a plan?
Capture point contested.
My way.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Another storm catcher secured!
Secured.
Oh, I've
Researching.
been ready. Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough luminite.
Let's get to it. Why wait? Here I come. Finding a path. Make it quick. Where's the action?
Not enough
Taking them
luminite.
down. Let's end this. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now.
Capture point
Where?
contested.
Oh, got it. Give me the lowdown.
Our forces are under attack. Research.
Let's get to it.
Not enough
Why
luminite.
Oh, I've been ready.
Capture point secured.
Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Make it quick.
Not enough luminite.
Why wait? Here I come.
Our
Finding a
forces are under attack.
Making a beeline. Quick time.
Capture point contested. Our forces are under attack. Not enough luminite.
Where's the action? Let's get to it. Stormcatcher secure!
We did it! Now we just gotta hold out till we drain their reserves.
Capture
wait.
point contested.
Here I come.
Our forces are under attack.
Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now.
Yeah? Take them from them off!
Where? Oh,
Ready when you are.
got it. Where's the action?
Not enough luminite.
Mara, I've translated more of those glyphs you scanned in the caves. These myths don't just call Thronos a weapon. They call it a vessel. I should take a closer look at those blades as soon as possible.
Beeline. Where? Malok! Come fight me, coward!
You know where to find me.
I wait.
Don't take the bait, Amara. Stick to the plan.
Come and face me, weaklings.
Where's the action?
Olive's power is depleted. The base is vulnerable.
Now it's my turn!
Your misguided resistance ensures only one outcome. More human suffering.
Riker, if you can hear us, we're coming for you.
Let's get to it. Finding a path.
Not enough luminite.
Death wish grant.
Our forces. Not enough luminite.
Make it quick.
Roll out! Right through the counters! Legs in the hail!
Make it quick.
Our forces are under attack.
Quick.
Our base is under attack.
Join the cycle.
Our forces are under attack.
Oh, I've been there. Give me the lowdown.
Not enough luminite.
Give me the lowdown. Where's the action? Where's the action? Give me the lowdown. Make it quick. Give me the lowdown.
Our forces are under attack.
Give me the lowdown.
Not enough
Taking them
luminite.
down. Heading there now. Time to raise hell.
Not enough luminite.
Let's get cracking.
Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Their history.
Not enough luminite.
Give me them orders. Let me the hell.
Our
Here I come.
not enough luminite.
Finding a path. Making a beeline.
Our base is under attack.
Heading there now. Where's the action?
Our forces are under attack.
Taking them down. Taking them down.
Our base is under attack.
Where's
Not
the action?
enough luminite.
Make it quick. Where?
Our forces are under attack. Our base is under attack. Not enough luminite. Not enough
Where's the
luminite.
action?
Yeah? Straightening the curve. Flattening the hill.
Let's get to it. Why wait? Here I come. Finding a path.
Let's get
Our
cracking.
forces are under attack.
Oh, I've been ready. Making a beeline. Make it quick.
Give me them orders.
Give me the lowdown.
Ready when you are. Rolling. Roll out.
Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Here I come. Oh no.
Our forces are under attack.
Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Make it quick.
Not enough luminite.
Always hate. What?
Give me the lowdown. Let's get to it. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it.
Our forces are under attack.
Why wait?
Give me them orders.
Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. Where's the action? Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Got a plan?
Nice. Now all you need to do is get it into the path of a tornado, deploy it, and I'll handle the rest.
Oh! Is that all? Where's the action?
Not enough luminite.
Finding a path. On their heels. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Oh, I've been ready. Here I come.
Not enough luminite.
Ready when you are. Rolling. Roll out.
Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Give me the lowdown.
Our forces
Got a
are
plan?
under attack.
Why wait? Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. Heading there now. Where? Oh, got it. Why wait? Here I come. Finding a path.
We've got the data and I can start tracking these for you. Let me upload that to your map. There.
Where? Oh, got it. Let's get to it.
Not
Why
enough
wait?
luminite.
Here I come. Finding a path. Making a beeline. Quick time. For history. Heading there now. No place to hide.
Not enough luminite.
Give me the lowdown. Where? Oh, got it.
Right in the car.
Our forces are under attack.
Rolling. Roll out. Right in the car. Flatten the hill.
Let's get to it. Time to raise hell.
Our forces are under attack.
So you insist on dying painfully. You wanna fight? Come and fight. 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 Not here. Not to you. Come and face me, weaklings.
Leave him! I found Riker! I need your help!
You're mine.
Damn it! Trip, I need evac. If we don't get Riker out of here, he's not gonna make it.
Copy. I'll get as close as I can.
Run! Hide! Is this how the mighty Malok faces death?
It is you who hides behind that glorious weapon of infernal making. Our legacy!
Whatever it takes to make you pay for the lives you've destroyed!
Kronos, why do you aid this human weakling? Mine is the hand that should wield your power. I am the champion of the host!
Its choice is made.